Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and the C-band updates, or the bug fixing updates, have been released for Windows 10. They were released late yesterday, September the 20th, and rolling out still today. Of course, these are bug fixing updates, and so they are not mandatory. They are optional until, of course, Patch Tuesday. So optional is kind of a big word here, but at least you don't have to install them right now. So, of course, these are bug fixes. There's no security updates in here. Once installed, your bug fixing updates will actually make your version of Windows 10 move up from, so depending on 21H1, 21H2, 22H2, you'll be on 1904.3, 1904.4, or 1904.5. But the important number is the ending. .2075. That is telling you that you're up to date with the bug fixing updates for the C-band updates for Windows 10. So there are a few fixes in here. There's one about, one of the fixes is about a problem, a couple of problems with Internet Explorer mode and Edge that doesn't render different things correctly, including PDF files. They've also addressed an issue that affects the rendering in the search box. So when you go in the search box, there are some issues there that would actually happen if you are actually using a tablet mode. And there's also a problem that occurs that can rarely lead to a blue screen of death when you're using more than one display. So this is one other thing that's fixed in here. And of course, also adds the fact that there fixes one of the problems where some of the Microsoft apps, Microsoft Store apps, they're asked to be reinstalled for some reason when you want to use them, as if they weren't installed already. Something's apparently happened when you actually upgrade to Windows 10 from a previous version, apparently. So these are a few things that are fixed. They've added one little thing that finally works. So in Windows 10, you have the News and Interest panel here at the bottom that brings you the news and interest. Well, they fixed one thing, is that if you move the taskbar and you want it at the top or at the left or whatever side you want it, the News and Interest panel will actually pop up wherever the taskbar is. This was not something you could do before. They really had the News and Interest panel only when you were with the taskbar at the bottom. It couldn't really pop up from any other side. So now they apparently fixed this to have it here. One word of caution, though, in the update, since I've been updated, I tried this a few times, and it happens that sometimes the panel just doesn't actually appear, even at the bottom. So there's still a glitch in there that probably needs to be fixed, but at least they're working on that to have it work on every side. It makes you wonder how difficult in Windows 11 it is to have a taskbar that moves around the screen. But anyways, that's another story. So that's pretty much what you have. The update comes in the form, of course, like I said, of an optional update, which is KB5017380. And like I said, it's a preview release, as they call them, which is just bug fixes. So if you have problems, you can try it out. Got no issues? You know what? You don't have to install it now. You will have them installed automatically anyways with Patch Tuesday in October. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.